going down. Hold up. You're going down. No, you're going down. And why are you so skinny, dumbass? You're coming a bad word. Yes, what are you going to do about it? Come on, boys. I even got a hit you. Hey. And hug you. Go. Now you're going down. You can do that. Going down. My penis. Down with okay, bro? Yeah, I'm okay. Stop stabbing me, bro. What did you do to him? Easy. So where's my knife? Yeah, wait, too bad. Gonna die now. Come back here. Oh no. I've got good aim. Make sure good aim. Nah. Get up. My leg. My leg. I'm dying now. Get out. Oh, gonna die. Yeah. Shoot. Oh my God. Get now. Can't stop me now. Oh yes, okay. Oh. Yeah. Come back here. No. Oh. You're gonna Oh, it's not working. It's not working. What? Oh no. Oh. You're gonna die for now. Die. Ah, my bones, my bones. Ouch. And one thing. Wow. You just died. That's my. Yeah, he's dead. Destroy him out. A professional shooter, I can kill one of you. I know it. I'm a professional shooter. Oh, he's dead. He's dead, guys. No, we're gonna take revenge. Yeah. Ew, what's this? I thought that was meatball. Good job. No, not Holly. Give me. Oh, damn! I got you guys. Don't worry. Come on. No. Help. Oh. I'll save you guys. Save you guys. You die. You die. Die, girl. I don't care. I hit women too. Ah. Yeah. I take this. Take this. Take this. Take this. Take this. I can kill him. Oh yes, I could. And you will drop you in. Now I'm just gonna fly away. Thank you, Corn. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Corn. This is why you're the best. Yeah, I knew it. But I'm kind of injured. And take me to the hospital with Cactus. Yeah. Okay, we can take you to the hospital. Your girl take him. Okay.